Hi everyone, it's Chalk It Up Fancy, and we just wanted to show you these really cute straw holders we found at the Christmas tree shop. $4.99. They're adorable. And we are going to paint them. The first thing you want to do is remove the straws and just put them aside. Now, anytime you're going to be painting over glass, whether it's a mason jar, you can take some rubbing alcohol and you just want to clean it really well. I just pour some right on a paper towel. Make sure you clean, especially where the price tag was. There was a sticker on here that I peeled off. Okay, once you feel like it's wiped down pretty well, you do want to give that a second to dry. I like to take some tape and just put it along the rim of the glass here. This is just gonna prevent any extra paint from dripping off onto the inside. And there you go. We are going to be painting with Wise Owl Mermaid Kiss. Very pretty summertime color. Using our Klingon brush. And I like to start where I can hold it and really get in this rim here the best I can. Once you feel like your first coat is on there pretty good, I'm going to try to force dry it here with my blow dryer. Okay. So this is what it looks like with the two coats. Now I may put a third on, but I'm going to take my sanding block This is a 120. And just gonna lightly very cute. And then final part is going to be some wax. We use Annie Sloan's clear wax. Look how pretty that color is. And I just buff it. And there you have. How cute is that?